Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 16, page number 16, sorry. Then the lecture number 8. Question number 3. 17,600,089. You can write like as 17, 600, then 089. In Pakistan, 4 crore 10 lakhs 15,804. You can like as no, I saw there no 4 crore 10 lakhs 15,804. Question number 4. Write predecessor. If you find the predecessor of any number, you subtract 1 from the real value. The real value is 35000, 00. Subtract 1 from this value. You can got the value 34999, and part A, question number 4. The real value is 18,350,000, 30. It means 000. Subtract 1. You got the answer 18,349, and 999. Question number 5. Write an expanded form. If the real value like as 4, 7, 6, 2, 5 and 105, you can write like as 4, then count the other values. If you write the 4, then count other values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 4, 7 values you write there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70. Look here. 4 after you write there now. 70. Then 7 you write there 60. Plus then 6 write there 50. Plus then write there 2, then write here 40. Plus then 5 write there now 30. Plus 1 write there now 20, and plus add the last value. You did not add the 0. Part A, like as I've done here for you. Look, 5 right after this 70, then 2 right there now 60, then 0 right there 50, then 1 right there 40, plus then 8 right there 30, plus 6 right there 20, then 2 right there 10 plus 3 at the end.